Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I have a really cool one for you guys. Andar was kind enough to send out one of their Aspen cases again. This one is for the iPhone 15 Pro, which of course we don't have quite yet in studio, but we do have a dummy unit and I'm just so excited. I want to show you guys this case. That way you can pick one up for yourself if you want to protect your iPhone 15 Pro on day one. So here is a nice little letter that they've included, and I really do appreciate that whenever a company does that and puts in a handwritten note. That just lets you know that they actually care about their customers. So big shout out to Andar for that. And here is the box, and as you guys can see, it's got that iPhone 15 Pro shape embossed in the box, and it looks really good. And right there it says Andar, the Aspen. On the back here, it does have a little bit about the Aspen. And right here you can see iPhone 15 Pro jet black. I did mention that I wanted to check out their stone gray because I thought that would look really good with the Titan gray iPhone, but they sent out jet black, it looks like, but that is no problem. I said they could send out any color they thought would look best. So let's go ahead and unbox this, and wow. That looks really good. I think Andar made the right decision in sending out this jet black. This looks stunning in person. Definitely think the gray one would look really good, but man, this is something else here. And right as I opened that box, I was hit with that natural leather smell, and it is so nice. Absolutely fantastic presentation here by Andar. You can see it's actually stuck in there, and this attention to detail with this little black leather pull strap, man, this is just really nice. And here is the case itself. Let's put this box off to the side. Taking a look here, I don't know if the camera is going to do it justice. I'm going to try to adjust this in post to make it look as true to life as I am seeing it right now. But this looks so good. It is a true jet black. This is as black as it gets right here. Blacked out side buttons right here, which feel metallic. So yes, those are metal, completely blacked out. We got a spot right here for the action button. We've got cutouts at the bottom here. Very slight Andar branding right there on the side. Very tasteful. And around this ring, this is all metal. I can feel it's cold. This is a stealth matte black metal right around that rim. So we've got to go ahead. We've got to put this dummy unit in and see how it does. Before we do that though, I do want to mention this is Magsafe compatible. You guys can see a little bit of branding there. This is where the magnets are at. On the inside here, you can see even the back of these buttons are covered in this soft suede-like microfiber material so that they will not scratch your phone, which is awesome. Now, of course, the new 15 Pro is titanium on the outside, but you still don't want to scratch that. All right, well, it turns out this dummy unit actually doesn't fit in this case because these buttons have no play to them. So they absolutely do not fit. You need the real phone. So I'm going to wait for the iPhone 15 Pro to come. And once it does, I'll continue this review. See you guys in a few days. All right, guys, we are back. It is a new day. I have a different dummy model iPhone here to show you guys this awesome Andar case. With the first one, it just wasn't working right with that metal case because the buttons have no play at all. This one, at least they click a little bit, so it should be just fine. Anyways, the inside of the case, exactly the same as before. We're going to put the phone inside of the case, and there we go, just like that. It is snug and it is in there very well. So this is what the case is gonna look like when you are rocking it. And oh my gosh, this black leather looks so good. Even after my initial impressions the other day, before I had this dummy model, this leather is so nice. And with Apple removing their leather cases, you really have to go to a third party to get these awesome leather cases. So Andar is definitely going to do well, I think, this year, as everyone that had Apple leather cases either has to go with those fine woven cases, which are not good, or they have to switch over to Andar or another third party to get a leather case. And I think Andar is one of the best that we have reviewed so far. So Andar branding right there on the side, very subtle, nice stealthy black here. This is gonna look great with every single color of iPhone 15 Pro this year and Pro Max, but I think especially for that black titanium, it's gonna look really good. It still has that fresh leather scent even days later, and this will patina over time. So scratches and different scuff marks will eventually show, and it's going to look very nice. Now with this black color, it's going to patina a little bit differently than a lighter color. So this one, you're not gonna see as much of the patina in your face. So that's personally how I like it. I know some people like the lighter browns, which Andar also has, but personally, I think this black looks super stealthy and super slick. Button feel is, well, hard to test because this is a dummy phone, but overall feels fine. Has a nice resistance here. It feels really satisfying. On the side here, you can see the action button has a cutout here, which is going to be interesting to see how that works because it's not a switch anymore. So we're gonna have to see how this plays out, because this looks a little shallow, but this action button might not be exactly correct because this is just a dummy model. Here is the bottom, and you can see the cutouts are perfect. And for the camera resivity, you guys can see it's perfect here as well. No issues, no worries there at all. Now, as for lay on the table design, you guys can see right here, there's obviously no screen protector on this dummy phone, but there's plenty of clearance here. So no need to worry about that. As for MagSafe charging, of course, this works just fine. You can see that ring on the inside. It works absolutely flawlessly. This is actually a very strong magnet. I'd say this is probably a 7 out of 10. And it doesn't even have the phone inside of it yet. You should have no issues with MagSafe accessories at all. So what's my verdict on this case? Well, if you're looking for a leather case, definitely check out Andar's website. I'm gonna have a link down below with a special discount code for you guys. So if you check them out, definitely use the code and the link so that you get maximum amount of money off, because these are premium cases. This is not just some cheap Amazon case. These are legit leather and they feel super high quality. And like I said, since Apple's not selling leather cases anymore, check out Andar if you are in the market. We reviewed their iPhone 14 Pro leather case not too long ago, so go check that out. That case is holding up fantastically. They also have leather wallets and stuff as well, which of course we reviewed. So check those out if you want to get a whole collection of Andar products. Anyways, that's all I got for this one, guys. If you liked the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.